Alonze Mose Kinokwa Mono because I'm more my bed this thing me. I'm more my bomb man answer can will be making baby akuoku. Not ago. It is a very big wake up call to everybody. As long as nagina mmadụ emegide gị ihe n'ụwa gị na nwoke o gị na nwaanyị unu megide ihe n'ụwa megide ihe wee bazie okwu ọnụnụ you owe that person at least 70% truth. I didn't say you should tell the person everything because now I'm not in support of self mmadụ ịbịa gwa mmadụ past life ya emego bebunite we I'm not a fan of it. Ihe ọbụla ime decided that you na-hazi eme your past the legi. I am not the type of AJ Bushovele so mad at the end of the day was again on Yahama as a game of Kwambi Melankimoko. I'm not a fan of it. Mani Hobunagina Mother Migidigo. Abanyano no. You owe that person at least 70% truth. Yatago, even though Sassy a man, I'm on Aburo Hini Nakamokan and Guamani. Because Obori Hedio chief even Bible made us to understand that Mary kept those things to herself. Obori Henine Mary na angel Kali. Ka Bible there why. But not that word alone that Mary kept those things to herself should stand as something to us. This guy and this girl no. According to him, now that morning of the wedding, go find the house and the girl is Jomonab. And the way the girl is Zolia, nothing. This guy was swimming in error and mistakes. I'm not the video trend because no boron work with the victim, boron wine with the victim. Obona ketan at the wedding, actually, my bona the girl chopotan at the boy when wine in a bozo. Or a trend we're gonna fly. Because someone the feminist is imagined everywhere. You bugale wako the video. Man, I can't see where Sintini Kuyana Aji head and work the Kwana. Just pray kide mania encounter. Go see the wine, go see the Nawaka. Nana water. And then the video. Uno nozia, amen. God the one.
Nothing was going to see. I'm not doing. You can't force me to do anything. There's nothing. There's nothing. You can't compete. There's nothing that thing about it. But I told you, man, there's nothing to say. I'm taking my bride back. Oh, you think I'm joking? I'm not two children. So this why you have children, you wait for me. I'm begging you. Maria. I beg you. I respected you, but your daughter, she. I never expected this from your daughter. So all this time you are here. You are here. Only to meet your daughter. Oh, she told her. So why she not offend me?
I don't know if she not tell you.
She not tell me. Oh no. Because what name you? My bread back, what I pick up.
Why you not tell her?
Your daughter
Madam, tell him now.
See your friends and they'll tell you what I am.
And I want to hold him now. I don't want to go to the church. No, do this in past.
What are they asking everything? If you can't understand
because of money, when I take the children, you're getting
any secret. See what for sure.
Donald.